you need smooth zooms like this. Well, if so, then you're in luck. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these smooth zooms exactly.
Feel like I'm floating through the air.